What up YouTube? Samahan nyo ngayon, mag-grocery tayo ngayon sa Lulu Supermarket dito sa Arabian Center. At katatapos ko lang mag-cardio kaninang umaga. So, yeah. Wala tayong food, fasted state, 45 minutes cardio, low intensity. So ngayon, bibili tayo ng pagkain. Okay? For maybe good for 3 days. More on eggs, milk, and some fast-acting carbs. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go. So guys, first, pili tayo ng egg. So, meron dito 14 dirhams for 30 medium eggs. So, kunin natin. Okay, 14.75. And the Garden Fresh. So, 14.75. Then next, kuha tayo ng cucumber para may fiber tayo at for hydration na rin. Siyempre, bili din tayo ng cucumber, mga 4 pieces. Lagay natin sa itlog, just lalagyan natin siya ng suka at asin para hindi nakakaumay kainin yung egg. Kasi kapag walang ganun, nasusuka na ako sa itlog eh. So, gawin natin siyang Thailand style, you know, with cucumber, vinegar, apple cider vinegar, and some salt. So, take some maybe 4 pieces, and that's it. So, ayun na nga guys. At tapos na ako bumili. Just eggs, cucumber, and banana. I'll make it simple. At wala masyadong drama kasi ang goal ko lang naman is ma-hit yung protein intake. Ayoko na naman so fancy bullshit. I need my abs a little bit back. I need my abs back. So, very simple lang. Protein, eggs, fiber, getting a cucumber, and some salt. Then main meal ko, maybe sa Deira na lang ako kumakain. Maybe 1 full chicken, 15 dirhams lang doon. And then 1 scoop of protein shake. So that's it. I will hit my protein intake with very less carbs. So ayun, balik na ako sa work at baka hanapin ako. Bye-bye. What up guys, I'm back sa gym. Time check, 4 o'clock. So naglaga na ako ng itlog. So look how it goes. Yes! So nilagyan ko lang siya ng tubig. Just wait mo lang mawala. Damn. Then after it, 4 o'clock, we can do some shadow boxing, 30 minutes, para mabawasan pa yung aking fats and burn some calories. And of course, with my best friend is BC. Say hi, say hi. Yeah, he's busy today, too much work. So now we do some shadow box. Cucumber. At matanggal ng umay, ganyan lang apple cider vinegar and salt. Kasi nakaka-umay masyado. Para bang ano lang to, tokneneng. Ano ba yung tokneneng? Yun yung kulay orange na yung harina. Gawin nyo lang din sa emblem dito. Lagyan nyo ng suka, lagyan nyo ng asin. Tawag dito, itlog hack. So yun guys, first meal of the day ko. Kain muna ako. Second meal ko mamaya. Around ano oras na ba? Alas 5 na. So 30 minutes before I work out, 7 o'clock. Punta ako ng Viva. Inom ako ng orange juice, something shoot up my insulin para makapagbuhat tayo ng maayos. Some fast-acting carbs also. So, ayun. Ayun guys, may ano lang ulit. Ayun na nga guys, no? Tapos na ako kumain ng 6 eggs cucumber. Para makuha natin yung 36 grams of protein. 6 times 6 is 36. I eat all, by the way, yeah? Lahat. So next is vitamins. I have the multivitamins. Tongkat Ali, Tribulus, vitamin D, vitamin C, zinc, fish oil. Okay? Go down. Naalala ko kanina, meron pala akong 15 dirham voucher sa noon dahil late sila nagpa-deliver. One time, nagpa-deliver ako ng food, late sila, so binigyan nila ako ng 15 dirham. Shoutout sa inyo noon. At buti na lang kino-compensate nyo kahit late kayo. Pero okay lang naman, life is like this. Not perfect. At least nagko-compensate kayo ng pag late yung food nyo. So, nagpa-deliver ako ng McDonald's. No, not fucking burger, but rice and burger patty. So, ilang grams yung isang ganon? I think 40 grams of protein yung isang ganon. So, dalawa. So, 80. 2 meals. Hati before and after workout. I need carbs. And some 3 pieces of chicken wings. Yeah, hintayin natin yung food. Maybe around 30 minutes. Nandito na siya bago ako mag-client ng 7. Kailangan nakakain na ako. Yeah! Hi guys, I finally got home at wrap it up. Time check 10 p.m. At ang nakain ko pa lang is 2 pieces of burger patty ng McDo with rice and 3 chicken wings, 6 eggs. Na-compute ko yung protein ko is around 130. I need more. I need to reach 160 grams. So I think I need to eat maybe half chicken outside or another 6 eggs. So that's it. Super tired today. We do back today. At wala akong power ngayon. Ewan ko kung bakit. Kita nyo naman din. So yeah guys, bukas ulit. So bukas shoulder tayo. Same food again, 6 eggs. And then I will switch a little bit to tuna maybe. And let's see kung ano yung mood ko bukas. Pero of course, always eggs because yun yung mabilis mag-absorb ng mabilis gawin at mabilis din kainin. Ang hirap kasi ng chicken breast kasi Alam nyo yung hirap i-digest eh. So, yeah. At hirap din na mag-workout ng walang carbs. Bilis mapagod. At what else? Yun lang. Wrap up for today. I'm so tired. Gusto ko nga sana lumabas ngayon pero wala na ako. Matanda na si Coach 35. Tinatamad na lumabas. Ano na lang, recover tayo kasi sobrang intense yung workout. So, yun yung huwag nyo kakalimutan, recovery. Okay? Sleep, food, recovery, gym. That's it. Okay? See you guys tomorrow. Let's go!